This is a Scorpion CX5. It has 6 top pins with gin spool drivers and 5 sliders. Going to tension clockwise and start by working the pins up into the countermilling. I got a small false set there. Now I'm going to try to force the gins up out of the countermilling. Just heavy tension and heavy pick pressure. And click out of 4, click out of 5, 6. Click out of 2. Nothing at 3. Maybe a click out of 1. Can't really tell if I got that set. Let's see. All right, so with this particular lock, the sidebar is binding. And jiggle testing doesn't really work until I set the sliders, so I'll go ahead and just do that now. And there you go. Open. Not too bad. Refocus. And let me cut this. I have a key, so I'm going to lock it back up. Take off the tailpiece. Keep pressure on the sidebar. Dump the sidebar and the sidebar springs. And drop the key pin. And one of the sidebar springs escaped over there. Okay, that's pin 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And drop the sliders out. 5, 4, let me get a quick shot of the core here so you can see the countermilling in each of the chambers. There you go. Sidebar groove and holes for the sliders and the keyway. Let me grab the driver pins. These are all gin spools, and they are all the same size. See if I can do this so that you can see them come out. There's one. Two. Three. Four. Five. And six. And springs. Nothing special about the Bible, other than I guess grub screws. Oh, there's the sidebar groove. Should probably show you that. And here are the pins. So, and the 5 sliders, 4 and 5 are max lifts, 2 is a small lift, 1 and 3 are 0 lift. These do have false gates, but I never felt any of them while picking. And then gin spools, sometimes I'm able to force these up through the counter milling, other times I have to float pick, usually 1 or 2 of them. So all in all, a little bit tricky, but not too bad. So that's it, Scorpion CX5.